Hi guys, this is Kayla again, aka Oppism. I'm going to be doing another unboxing for yet another doll. I did tell you guys in my last video that I did have a doll coming in. This was actually the first doll I ever ordered and stuff like that. I'm really excited. I ordered this doll from a dealer, Jane's Doll Land on she's like on Instagram, and she's also got her own website because she is a dealer. This is a fairy castle doll, and the sculpt is Puff. I bought this doll March 30th. Today is July 19th, so it took about like 4 months. And then I also wanted to mention that I did get Jane from Jane's Doll Land to paint the face for me. I'm not gonna be doing a face up for this doll, but that's okay because I really am excited to see how Jane did with her face up and everything, and I'm just super excited. I did get a package today that I thought I would show you guys really quick though. This is like for my mini fees that are, you know, soon to come, so I'm just gonna show you this really quick because it's just shoes. So I got these pair of shoes. I don't know if this is gonna fit the doll that I currently have because right now I only have one doll. That's my little Monica Sophia. Her feet are way too big for this, so you know, these shoes don't fit her, but I'm not sure like how big this doll's feet is gonna be. My Puff that I'm gonna be unboxing. But I got these. Did I show these good? Okay. I got these ones. And then I got these, which this is the main reason why I got this. I'll put the person I got them from like on the screen because I honestly forget. I forget, honestly. Like I don't remember, but then I got these little pumps. But yeah, I thought I would just show those really quick. And okay, I'm really excited. I made sure I covered like all my stuff. Actually, I didn't cover it good enough, so yeah, it's just a normal box and stuff, just whatever. It says like fairy castle actually on it, so that's cool. So what I'm gonna do is open it from here because it does say open, so we're gonna follow the instructions. I'm super excited because this is my first like BJD I ordered, and I mean obviously it's not the first one I received, but oh my god. And I kind of did see like a sneak peek of the packaging on Jane's Instagram, so I'm really excited about that. Okay, here it is. Oh my god, let's get rid of that. It's kind of hot. Ooh. Oh my god. Okay. Also, Jane is a US dealer. That's why I got it from her, obviously, because I live in the US. And the way I literally just like yanked that to the side. Okay, so alright, this is the packaging that I was talking about. This is a case, like a carrying case, guys. I didn't have a carrying case previously. Obviously, I only have one doll, so now that this doll comes with a carrying case, like that's so nice. Like, wow, like this really makes my money like that I spent on this worth it. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. I have like a thing of deodorant right there. Oh god. Okay, I'm not gonna open this part yet, but I'm actually just gonna go in the zipper part because I want to enjoy this moment. Okay. Alright, so I see two things in here. Alright, the first thing looks like it might be a COA certificate authentication. Authenticity. Okay, I don't know what this is, and I don't know what this says, but it's something. And then, okay, all right, this is the COA. Yeah, this is it, because it says date of birth. So this is Puff. Yes, this is her. All right. So me just put this back in here. Okay. Now I think this is like just extra stuff. Extra hands, extra feet, I believe. I'm not sure. What's in there? What is that in there? It's like something stuck. Oh, it's just like one of the magic erasers. Okay. Oh, it came with gloves. That's really nice for like when I do a face up for one of my other dolls. I needed that actually. So that's great. And then I see something inside this bag. It looks like an extra pair of feet. And I think they're heel feet. It comes with heel feet. Look at that. Oh my god, the resin feels so like, oh my. It's so smooth. Okay. And I think it comes with an extra pair of hands. Oh my god, it comes with like a lot of hands. Like I did watch a while ago like a video of Jane actually unboxing a puff and stuff, so I'm not really like surprised. I knew that I was gonna get some hands and extra stuff, which is really nice because I really like this. So there's like a peace sign, there's like the, I guess, like, I don't know, like this means loser to me. Like I don't know. And then just like a regular hand, and then just like a fist hand, and then a pair of heel feet. That's nice. And they feel really nice. Like the color looks really beautiful. Obviously you can tell that I got the tan one. All right, and then this also came with, I guess, like a thing to switch out like the hands and the feet and stuff, and then like 2 clips, and then like I guess wig cap, and then putty for the eyes, and then a brush, which is really nice. Okay, then I think Jane gave me like a little, let me see, she gave me like some stickers, which are really cute. Like, wait, what? This is so cute. Look at that. They're so adorable. Oh my god, it's so nice. And then it just says thank you from ordering from her, and it gives her little paper of her website and stuff. That's really nice. Okay, let's get to the fun part, which is I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my god. Wait, there's more stuff. What is this? Oh, I guess this is just like a... Oh, this must just be like a thing where I can just store stuff inside. Okay. Alright. Oh my god, here she is. Oh my god. Let me just take this off. I like how they package this. Like, this bag is very interesting. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. My face. Look at how pretty she is. Oh my god, guys. She is so pretty. She is so pretty. Like, I did not expect her to look like this. Jane did such a really good job. Oh my god. And I think I did like order like some stuff on her. I did order like the, I guess, the chest piece that's more, you can move it. I remember like a really long time ago, like in March, when I messaged Jane, I was like, what's the difference between the chests? And she like really like helped me. She was really helpful. This is so pretty, guys. Her face up is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And her eyes are so pretty. Let me see if I can like focus it on her. Is it focusing? I don't know. I don't know if it's focusing. I don't know. It's not focusing. I'm using my iPhone because, yeah. I didn't want to get out my whole, like, thing, but oh my god, guys, look at the head cap. It says Fairy Castle in there. Oh my god. This is just such a beautiful doll. Like, honestly, for the money that you can get this doll for, it is so beautiful. She's in the tan, and oh my god, she's so pretty. Let me try to sit her down. Oh my god. Guys, she's so cute. She's got like such a baby face, and I love her joints. I just love those types of joints. Like, oh, it just makes it look so much like, I don't know, seamless when the joints look like this, which I really love. Look how cute. She's so cute. I really want to put like the peace sign on her hand right now. Like, I want to do that, but like, I don't know. I'm kind of scared. I've never switched out like hands because my other doll didn't have any. I wonder how you use this. I don't really know how to use this. Is that how? I don't know how to do this. I would have to figure it out, guys. I really don't know how, but I kind of do want to put the peace sign on, but I will be back. I'm gonna just like go see if I have clothes to put on her and a wig. So I'll be back, guys. We're gonna see what we can do. And then also, I just forgot that her name is going to be Nora. I think so. I'm not really sure. It's probably not solid. We'll see. Follow me on Instagram. I'll see what I'll name her. I don't know. I don't know. Like, does she look like a Nora? I don't know anymore, but yeah, I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna dress her up really quick. Okay, so I'm back, guys, and this is her. This is Nora right now. She is so adorable. I put like an outfit on her that I made, so it's not the best stitching or whatnot, but she looks so cute. I just put this wig on because the first one I pulled out, I tried this rainbow wig, but this wig is really big, so it didn't fit her. But yes, this is just, oh, she's so cute. I'm so happy she's finally here with me and stuff, and I just love her. Look how cute. Oh my god. I just love her tan skin and stuff. Like, I love it so much. She's my first tan doll. All the rest of my dolls I'm going to be getting, by the way, guys, are going to be tan. So I love tan dolls, obviously. But yes, this is her. Oh my god, I just love her cute little face. Like, it's just so sweet. And like, again, like, her face up is so pretty that Jane did. Like, it really is. It's so adorable and so delicate. I love it. And I love her eyes. I didn't change her eyes because I really like them, so I think I'm gonna be having these eyes in her for a while. And I did switch her hand to the peace sign because I've been wanting that this whole entire time. Like, I just knew in my head that I'm going to be giving her the peace sign as soon as she gets here. So yes, I'm gonna be putting on some more wigs, but I really hope you guys enjoyed my video of me unboxing my Fairy Castle puff and tan. Again, I really hope you guys follow me on Instagram and also like this video so you can see more dolly content. But thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Bye.